I never had my bathroom dirty or smelly again. After discovering this trick, to start today's tip, we will use 3 limes. The ideal to facilitate the use is to cut in half, and thus will facilitate the removal of the liquid. Then we will use a juicer and put all the liquid in a container. And before I forget, tell me which city you are watching us to. Send a special hug. Today's hug goes to Virginia Jensen. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. The second item that we will use in this tip is the washing powder. The ideal amount for use is 2 tablespoons, being the largest item, responsible for the removal of stains when rubbing. We should always mix well as soon as we add a new ingredient. To aid in the yield, we will add a liter of water and again mix very well. I'm sure you'll be impressed with the use of this mixture. To finish, we will also add 100 milliliters of alcohol, the last ingredient for this mixture. The bactericidal effect of alcohol is totally essential for mixtures made for cleaning the bathrooms. The ideal is to mix one last time, and with this, we will already have the mixture ready for use. Just the small amount we have prepared is enough for more than a thorough cleaning in your bathroom. The ideal to increase the performance of this mixture is the application using a spray bottle. To avoid waste, we will also use a funnel. For all who presented this mixture, thank me for starting to use in their home, facilitating cleaning and bringing a great result. Better than the use of products sold in the market and with products we already have in our home. Best of all, by the use of this is the acidity contained in the lime is what makes cleaning so effective and simple. In conjunction with laundry soap and alcohol for use, I am demonstrating the use in a toilet, requiring only a small amount to bring cleaning. It is so simple that this tip only with a brush we can remove stains and even yellowish that are caused during a long period of use. Tell me later if you got the desired result for the use of this mixture. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.